Hi there, students. Climatic or climactic? Okay, these two, the difference is very easy. Climatic talks about the climate. Climactic talks about a climax. Okay, so climatic, it means the most exciting and most important. So the climactic final scene of the film. Whereas climatic from climate, climatic conditions in this area are very variable. Okay, so climactic, relating to the most important or the focal point of a story or situation, particularly at the end. So the most films end with some sort of climactic scene. Yeah, a climactic chase, a climactic event. I guess a piece of music very often ends with a climactic piece of music. It's loud and exciting. The climactic moment came. Yeah, the most climactic event was the high jump. Okay, and then climatic, talking about the climate, the climatic conditions are different to what they were. Changes in climatic conditions relate to general weather conditions. So yeah, we are there is climatic change occurring. The days are getting hotter, yeah, and things are heating up. Yeah, so climatic change is causing overheating and a rise in sea level. Yeah, climatic, belonging to climate, related to the climate rather than the soil or anything else. And climactic, something that reaches a decisive moment. It reaches a climax. It reaches the moment of greatest importance. So the various teams have been playing in the league for various months, but now we're almost at the end. We have a climactic neck and neck finish. Yeah, it's coming to an important and interesting end. Notice the opposite, anticlimactic. Yeah, so you're from an anticlimax. You think it's going to be really great, and then it's just awful. Yeah, so climactic, belonging to belonging to the most important part, consisting or causing a climax. Yeah, it's crucial, it's central. Yeah, it's paramount, it's pivotal. It's something that happens at the end. And then climatic, belonging to the climate. So yeah, climatically speaking, things are getting warmer, related to the general weather conditions. Various parts of the world are experiencing climatic changes. Okay, so let's see, climatic. Climatic, I'd definitely give a 5 in formality. Climactic, 5.5 in formality. I think use both of them anywhere. And okay, climatic is related to climate, related to clima in Latin, from klima in ancient Greek, latitude, inclination, or angle. And then climactic, related to a climax, Latin climax, from ancient Greek climax, talking about a ladder or a staircase, from clino, to lean or to slant. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Climatic versus climactic.